guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Clarina. So today guys, I accept the challenge. Sean, this is my how do I eat a banana with the ice cream. So I put a little bit ice cream inside of the banana. I cut the banana, then I put the ice cream. This is now this is now the banana. As you can see, there is many flavor on the ice cream. I think this one is mango. I think this one is caramel. This one is, I don't know, but they are different, as you can see. So nice. So we're gonna try. How many minutes can I do this one? I need to eat as fast as I can. Okay. So so that I have a video, so that I make it a video, I need to eat now. Oh my god, I don't know how gonna do this. 1, 2, I don't know. 1 Get ready, I need to eat now. Wow, I think it's better also to put something on it, but just like it is yum, it's more. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now as you can see, I'm done. Yes, I done. I don't know how many minutes. I just check it out. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks so much, guys. And so yummy, but it's so sweet, very sweet, and the banana also is so sweet. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. See you next video, Nadi. Bye.